Hello dear friend, this is Leo from LTMG Machinery. Today I'm going to show you our excavator factory. Okay, you can see here, now this working time, so there are many workers assembling the excavator. Yes, you can see here, they are assembling the crawler with the operation room, cabin, yes. Usually we produce the different parts of the excavator separately. You can see here, and here is its crawler, and we are assembling the crawler with the cabin. Yes, and also when all part is finished, like the big arm and the bucket and the crawler, then we could assembling it together, so that we could ship it immediately. Okay, you can see here the excavator arm, and here now our workers are assembling the seat with the crawler. Okay, you can see just like this. Okay, next part I want to show you is our production line. You can see here we adopt advanced technology to produce the different parts to make sure its quality. And here you can see is the area where store the different components for the excavator. Let's have a look. Hello everyone. After visit our excavator factory and our production line, you must know something about our factory. So if you want to know more details or information of our excavator or attachments, please contact with me. Also, for the standard configuration excavators, we can ship it immediately. This is Leo. Bye.